In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record audio through OBS. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So, as you can see, I am on OBS, and this is what you'll be on once you open it up. So, if you want to go ahead and capture audio that's coming from your laptop, PC, or whatever you're using, how you can do this is simply come down to the bottom left hand corner to you see sources, which is this little section here. And from here, what you will need to do is you will need to click on the plus sign. And once you click on the plus sign, you'll get a lot of options here, and the one you will need is audio output capture. Once you click on audio output capture, you can go ahead and you can name it whatever you like. So you can just go ahead and put audio if you like. Once you have named it, you can click OK. Once you click OK, you will get this little pop-up and it will say device. So for me, I could leave this as default and that would work perfectly fine. But for any of you guys, what you can do is you can click on the drop down menu and you can click on any of the available speakers. So find the speakers you are using on this little drop down menu here, and you can go ahead and just click on it. Once you have selected the speakers you are using, all you need to do is click OK. And then as you can see, my added source is right there, which is my audio. So that's how you can go ahead and record audio on OBS.